Currently, the Trump administration is working on ending Section 8 or limited to 2 years, however you want to put it. That's what's going on nationally. And corporate layoffs are at an all-time high. I mean, tech company after tech company are announcing mass layoffs, okay? But what does this mean for you and what will happen? Well, in life, it's all about positioning and planning, okay? And if you're watching this, you're probably an entrepreneur. So a few years back, I discovered this niche that a few of my mentors were doing that was just like insane, how they were making $5,000, $6,000 a month off of one house. So since Section 8 vouchers will be limited in the future to 2 years, if what they are proposing gets passed, it may be less, it may be more, we don't know. It may not get approved, we don't know as of right now. But with this mass layoffs, room rentals are becoming extremely possible. So I want you to picture this, right? Let's say you get a 5-bedroom house, right? Each bedroom pays you, let's say, $1,000 a month, right? Now, this may be too much, this may be too low, depending on where you live at in America. In Charlotte, I'm getting my cheapest bedrooms are $250 a month. All right, so I'm getting $1,000 a month from a bedroom. So that's $60,000 from one house. All right, that's $60,000 from one house, dude. Doesn't get any better than that. So let's say if I had 5 of these, that is $300,000 a year with just 5. You know how many traditional rentals it takes to do that? All right. And with these, you can leverage your credit and buy houses traditionally to make this kind of money. I literally know a guy in my market who does that. All right. Of course, I do recommend you buying at a good deal. That's what I tell all my students. But you can go into MLS and buy these as well. I bought one of these fully rehab from an investor, and he was in some trouble. I caught him when he was in some trouble. I walked in with about $60,000 in equity, but I knew what I was getting. The asset was just undervalued. In the future, it's going to continue to go up with the way that area is growing and the way the city is growing, the amount of square feet that comes with that particular property. And that was a 5-bedroom property. But I want you to think about this, right? So with Section 8, right, what's about to happen is, for all your experienced landlords, they know that turnover is their highest expense. So being that turnover is their highest expense, what's going to happen? Wait, your voucher is only 2 years? So after 2 years, I got to put $5,000, $7,000 in this, whereas I got this cash paying person who was at their last residence for 7 years and they're willing to sign a 3-year lease today. Man, you know, listen, let me go with this guy, this cash paying tenant, than with this Section 8 tenant. So I think that a lot of vouchers will start to get declined. People will have to go back to work. They're going to be forced to go back to work or figure it out. There will be blood in the streets. There will be blood in the streets, without a doubt. But this is an opportunity for you, all right, to start buying properties, 4 bedrooms or better. 4 bedrooms or better, and renting out the house by the room. All right, you want to check with your local ordinance. It's disallowed. So in Charlotte, you're allowed 6 unrelated people. So some people, what they do is they do 6-bedroom houses by getting a 5-bedroom house and changing the garage into a bedroom. All right, so they can have 6 bedrooms. Okay, so listen, this opportunity will make you a lot of money with a little bit of houses. I'm telling you. So I'm just putting y'all up on game. Guys, I'm Nasser, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a guru because I actually do this business. Hey, yo, listen, check out this producer who's making $60,000, a music producer making $60,000 off of one house.